Designed for customers looking for sporty performance and sporty style but at a lower price compared to the XSE, the new SE Hybrid grade for RAV4 includes monotone paint, fabric trim seats as 7-inch touchscreen with 6 speakers. And the SE Hybrid grade's available options are exceptional, as well as smartly packaged. The weather package is a commuter's dream, offering a heated leather steering wheel, heated front seats and rain-sensing windshield wipers with a de-icer function. The convenience package includes a moonroof, height-adjustable power liftgate and not to mention, Audio Plus that upgrades to a 9-inch touchscreen. RAV4 gets some enticing exterior and interior features across all grades when it goes on sale next month. The RAV4 XSE gets a bold new color in Cavalry Blue with a black roof. In fact, Cavalry Blue will also make its way on the new SE Hybrid grade, as well as the existing TRD Off-Road. There are quite a few updates to the wheels as well. La Hybrid, XLE and XLE Hybrid get a new color for their wheels, as does the Adventure grade. While the XLE Premium Hybrid and Limited Hybrid get a new design, as does the XSE Hybrid. In gas models, the 203 horsepower Dynamic Force 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gas engine is paired with an 8-speed direct shift automatic transmission. This combo has an impressive EPA estimated 28 mpg city, 35 mpg highway, 30 combined mpg ratings in the front-wheel drive La model, the best ever for a gas RAV4. At the top of the model line, the RAV4 Prime PHEV plug-in hybrid is both the performance and efficiency leader. The RAV4 Prime has an all-electric range rating of 42 miles on battery alone on a single charge. Or operating in hybrid mode, it can generate a combined 302 horsepower and do 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds. The second quickest Toyota in the lineup behind Supra. The RAV4 hybrid models have 40 combined EPA estimated rating, a nearly 30% improvement over the previous hybrid. XLE grades and above get updated headlamps, both for style and for capability improvement. New LED fog lamps are being introduced for XLE Premium, Limited, Adventure and TRD Off-Road. And the XSE Hybrid gets the super sleek vertical lights that debuted on the XSE Prime in 2021.